Scrapbooks Empire. Alessandro Zamboni's Scrapbooks Empire. Scrapbooks Empire shows you how to sell easy PDF files with images to a $2.5 billion uncovered niche. Scrapbooks Empire guides you step by step through a super simple method to sell PDF files with images starting today. You can create these files online, no software and no writing needed. Start earning money each and every day by selling these particular documents with photos that sell passively and without any ads. No graphic design experience, no tech skills, and no paid software needed. Highly profitable. People are going crazy over these scrapbooking files on a very specific marketplace with millions of buying customers. The best thing is, these people buy again and again. Easy to use platform, where listing these documents is very easy. Unlimited market. Think about how many niches there are on the planet and apply them to this business all over the world. It's amazing, and all through passive income and automatic PDF downloads. No shipping, no hassle, no graphic design. We know you are looking for easy methods that take only 10 to 20 minutes per day to complete, and for this reason we created Scrapbooks Empire. It is something that also an Italian and a guy living in Mexico can do, and it's pure fun to build your digital empire this way. Scrapbooks Empire. All you have to do is create easy PDF files including images that are very easy to find on the web, which you copy and paste into the document. Then you save it as a PDF file, and you are ready to go. So, all you need is a free tool like Google Docs, and you're all set, without the need to purchase any hosting, autoresponder service and so on. This makes you entirely free. It's fun to create those documents and you will be rewarded for your own creativity. Although, you don't even need to be creative to use this method. So, there is no risk of saturation, and this market is still growing. Lol, my mother is proof of that. You have the guarantee this course is brand new, full of fresh information about a new market that you never heard about before in other courses. This method is totally different from anything you have seen around until now. Scrapbooks Empire. Alessandro Zamboni's Scrapbooks Empire.